Finally discover the secret to becoming a top affiliate with Mintbird. Make an easy $300 per day, plus get all the tools and resources to do it with for free. I'm also going to give you access to 3 awesome gifts. Why? Because I want to invite you to be a part of the Mintbird launch celebration. What is Mintbird? It's the most elite system available online today. And I want to show you how to have an income selling other people's products with it. I want to give you instant access to everything you need, including the live bootcamp training, Facebook posts, videos, ads, and even emails that you can just plug in, all the resources that the big dogs use to generate 6- and 7-figure incomes. The last person that learned this method now does over $6,000 each time he sends out an email. We have students that have gone on to clear over $100,000 in their business. We expect this group to generate over $300,000 as a collective whole. At the very bare minimum, you will learn the secrets to generating about $300 per week in average from what I'm about to share with you. The secret is to learn how to sell other people's digital products before anybody else even knows they are available in the marketplace. There are 3 secrets that you need to learn, and then you're going to be able to do this each and every day if you choose to do so. Our goal with this program is to teach you how to make 25 sales, and the profit from those sales goes right to your bank account. Why just 25 sales? That's all you will need to start opening the JVZoo affiliate floodgates. Once you get your first sale, it's like a faucet has turned on. You won't be able to turn it off. It's not uncommon to see $37 roll in, then $67, $97, $197, $297, and before you know it, you're even able to start seeing $1,997, $2,997, and even $5,000 sales. That's when you really start to experience what life has to offer. And it's all 100% legal and legit. The best part of all this: you don't have to create your own products, you don't have to have employees, you don't have a physical location, you don't have hardly any overhead. All you need is an internet connection, and the desire to provide an impact in the lives of those you touch. So, we are looking for a few more leaders who are self-motivated and can be a great team player. Team players that are willing to show up for the free training and follow the exact, paint-by-numbers formula that has been created. This is not MLM, not even close. Instead, this is an exclusive limited opportunity for you to participate in a free training that will present a new realm of opportunity for yourself and those that you care about. In this training, you'll learn about the 3 secrets to finding these digital products before anybody else. You'll also learn how to get people to see and buy these products before they are even available to the public. We have seen products like this sell for as much as $5,000, and in most cases, you get to keep 50% of that sale. I know that sounds crazy, but this is the opportunity I am presenting to you. This is an exclusive invite. We have over 500 members that are already inside this program. And they all say this is just stupid simple. And there's nothing to sell. We're going to teach you the simple 3-step process, and we're going to utilize social media: Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, LinkedIn. You can probably spend 5 minutes a day, and get massive results from this. But, once you do learn the secret, you are set for life. Making $300 to $500 a day before you even wake up becomes a reality, and you're going to have a blast doing it. This is something only a small population of the world know. It's a hidden secret, and there's really no risk. I'll say that again: you have nothing to lose. Get signed up now, it's free. And finally discover the secrets of the super affiliates.